let's go fry it. Right this way. Look at that turkey gobble gobble right over here. Beautiful apples, just like that. And guys, they are tender, they are soft to the touch and to the taste. Check this out. Oh yeah. Now, a little caramel. We're gonna come through. This is gonna be the best Thanksgiving apple pie you've ever had. A little salt on that caramel, you know it goes well. We're gonna come through with a tiny bit of cinnamon all the way. Woo. Smells like Thanksgiving. Another pie dough, just like this, and we're gonna fold this one in. Here we go. And here we go. Right this way. Place it there. Flip this over, just like this. Leave a little space around the edges. And here it goes. Oh, baby. Let's see. Perfection. Now, come in here. There we go. It's going to be nice and sealed. Now, grab this real quick. Flip it back one more time. Like this. Whoa. There we go. Oh. Here we have some cinnamon and sugar mix. Just like that. Ooh, that smells delicious. And now, come through with a second puff pastry dough. And on top we go. Let's go ahead and pinch that in all the way around. Slide it under. Right there. Pick that up. And now we're about to do some gluing real quick with a little bit of water. Just like that. And that's it. That's all we need. Now, right this way. There we go. That's going to glue together. Just like that. We grab these scissors. And we're going to make us some tail feathers. Check it out. Right here. And what we're going to do is just twist like this. Go ahead and twist. Twist right there. Remember, we have all that cinnamon in there. Now, here we go with the head. Just like that. And place it right here, and for it to stick, just a little water. Not much. There we go. Place that down. Right there. Now it's going to float back up with the water, with the oil, I mean. Here we go. Wings. Just like that. That should do it. Now we're going to give this a little design, a little extra something, some details. But right before that, we're going to put the 2 feet on. Like, get that to stick. Here we go. And the details. Start with the head. Here, just a few more right here. Let's go ahead and cross them, and let's blow this baby up. Come on, Jake. And let's go fry it. Right this way. Look at that turkey gobble gobble right over here. And into the fryer. Very carefully, guys. Do not try this at home. And if you do, you can go smaller. Here we go. In it goes. Right this way. Just grab onto this piece. Perfect. You can hear that frying already. Just drop it in, and the heat will remove the pan all on its own. Go ahead and help this baby out like this. Then keep going. Want a big turkey, feed the whole family. Let's get some hot oil on that tail right there. Now let's go. Take it out. grab this here, and right here, there we go. Guys, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite way of making a turkey? What is your favorite pie? And will you try this out? If you do, send us a picture. Love to check it out. Here we go. 1, 2, safety first, and out it goes. Whoa, turkey. Let's get some of that excess oil off. My arms are shaking. I gotta go to the gym. Oh, baby. Ooh, almost broke the head off. Let's get that to drip on this rack. Yeah. And let's cut into the pie. Right this way. And here we go. All right, guys, it is dessert time. Make sure everyone sees it at home before you cut into it, in case they don't believe you did it. Here we go. Try and make a nice little slice without it deflating. Let's see if we can do it. Okay. There we go. Grab yourself a nice little slice of this apple pie, and up we go. Delicious. Let's finish it off, guys. Fried apple pie turkey a la mode. Nice little vanilla scoop. Hey, stay on there. And the caramel. You can't ask for more. See if this is nice and crispy. Perfect. Gotta try it.